You're asking yourself how to recover deleted YouTube videos from your channel. So sadly, if you see any videos out there that promise you can recover a deleted video on your YouTube channel, this is not the case. Unfortunately, once you delete a video or a channel, you can't recover it. After you delete a video, that video will no longer be available on YouTube. The video URL and title will also not be visible or searchable. If you want to watch it again, you have to have a backup saved. After you deleted your channel, you permanently delete your content, including videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. This can only be done on a desktop computer, not a mobile device, and there are multiple steps required to confirm you want to permanently delete your channel, since there is no going back. If a channel is deleted because you deleted a Google account associated with your channel, you can restore the account via Google account recovery. But yeah, there is no official way to recover. You can try the YouTube support to ask them if they can recover, but like this is the newest update from 2024, so it's not possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.